Are you an adventurous traveler looking for a new experience? Well, get ready for a journey into the final frontier. Space tourism is the next big thing, and our dreams of traveling beyond our atmosphere may soon become a reality. Join us as we take a glimpse into the bright future of space tourism. Boarding spacecrafts, wearing specialized suits, and floating weightlessly in orbit may soon become the norm. Experience the thrill of seeing the Earth from above and the humbling view of the cosmos from outside our atmosphere. Learn about the companies and entrepreneurs working tirelessly to make space tourism accessible to everyone. Come with us as we embark on an exciting journey into the future of travel.